Greetings, I'm Mr. K.
And I'm Mrs. K.
We're a couple hailing from the city of New York that loves to travel and explore.
We would like to invite you to join us as we experience new and exciting things in life.
Good morning, guys. Today we're bringing you to New Croton Dam, or Croton Gorge Park. Never been there before. It'll be the first time, but they have a nice waterfall there, so gotta check it out and bring you guys along. We'll see you guys there. So we just arrived to Croton Gorge Park. Sorry if I'm butchering the name. I don't really know how it's pronounced. If you know, let me know. But yeah, we just got here. It's a beautiful day, and we hope to show some things to you. So right now we're in Westchester, just about like an hour outside of the city. This is incredibly beautiful. So if you have a chance to come out here, I definitely recommend it. So we just left Croton Gorge Park and we're heading up north to Cold Spring. It's about a 30-minute drive, I think. And Cold Spring, we've been there before. We've walked around a couple times. It's a nice small town. So we're just gonna walk around again.
It's a quick town from the waterfall. You can get some lunch from there after your quick trip in the park. And we'll see you in 30 minutes.
So we just got here to Cold Spring. It's still a nice, beautiful day. We're gonna explore this main street, and you guys are gonna come along. Let's take a look. So Cold Spring is located about 50 miles north of Manhattan, along the Hudson River, and it's in Putnam County.
Upstate New York.
Upstate New York.
The town is very small, but has some pretty interesting little shops, including coffee shops, antique shops, some local clothing stores. It's a really cute little town, especially in the springtime or summertime. It's really great for a quick weekend trip.
What I noticed was that there's a lot of antique stores. It's a fun little town. I definitely recommend anyone coming down here and just spend the day, you know? Even the small details like on this tree is pretty fun. You get these like ornaments.
Catherine's Tuscan Grill, it's really cool. The outdoor seating, perfect for COVID. This smells really good.
Yeah, it smells really good. Mine too.
What is mine again?
So yours is a penne pasta with shrimp, tomatoes, zucchini, with extra virgin olive oil.
EVOO. Yours is a gnocchi.
So I got the gnocchi with lamb ragu.
This looks really good.
I'm a big fan of gnocchi.
You are a gnocchi.
Yeah.
Fat and squishy. Wow.
This is the burrata mozzarella with broccoli rabe.
It's see what's inside the burrata. Ooh. Oh wow.
Looks pretty fresh.
That looks so fresh. The shrimp and the
It looks really good. I think the shrimp looks plump. Wow, the gnocchis are super soft. Very potatoey and pillowy. It tastes pretty good.
very soft.
I like it. Yeah, it's very soft. Get a full bite.
A little bit of shrimp too.
Your penne is really good. Yeah, salty. I get that kind of like ocean kind of taste. That sea water from the shrimp. Wow. That mozzarella cheese is very fresh.
Mozzarella is really fresh, really creamy.
So that wraps up our little day trip in Cold Spring. We are heading to our last stop, which is a castle on the island, which is interesting.
Bannerman Castle.
So let's check it out.
So there's a castle on an island in the middle of the Hudson River, upstate New York, called Bannerman Castle.
Basically, it's a businessman named Bannerman who bought the island, used it as a storage facility for his military surplus business. Construction of the castle stopped when Bannerman passed. A few years later, there was an explosion that destroyed a portion of the complex. Nowadays, you can book tours on the weekends during the spring and summer, or you can kayak around the area.
In our case, we flew a drone over. Unfortunately, it didn't have enough battery left and connection wasn't great, so this is all we got.
So we just got back. It was a pretty long drive. I got stuck in a little bit of traffic, but not too bad. So overall, it was a pretty good day. We went to Croton Gorge Park, Cold Spring, and we saw the Bannerman Castle a little bit, but it was a shame that we couldn't get all of it. Either way, it was a pretty good day. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next video.